very good evening to all the viewers and welcome to my chat show Simply Finance. So, what exactly is Simply Finance? So, basically, during lockdown, I've understood that financial knowledge is most important in everyday perspective. So, due to COVID 19, especially many people have think that we should have financial knowledge, whether to invest or not, or anything. So, Simply Finance is basically, we are simplifying the finance word and teaching you the concept where common people cannot understand. So, Simply Finance is just an initiative for you all to understand financial aspects. So, let's see. So, this is my first show with Rajat Prasad, and let's see how it goes. Thank you.
Government has recently introduced this scheme and many people has misconception regarding this. So we are having Mr. Rajat Prasad who has been in this field with 30 years of experience and having experience with Bank of India. So let me introduce to you. Hello sir,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. So how are you doing in this testing time?
So, COVID has taught us a lot of lessons. It has given us time for ourselves. We have got time for ourselves. Earlier, what was happening, we were not having any time for own thing. This has given time to introspect. Every time we were running, going for office, and then coming back. Uh, this gave us time to read, to understand, to realize that family is also important. Our own health, our own well-being is important, and got a chance to start something new. Like I have started my YouTube channel. I have started giving free advice to a lot of clients who do not know anything about finance. And I like the idea of Simply Finance because you are making finance simplified for the people who do not understand in detail.
Correct. Correct. So, can you tell me more about what exactly is your YouTube channel and the name to viewers?
So basically, see, uh, all the clients who are exporting or importing or who are wanting to do some financial activity, they do not know much about finance. They are either dependent on the newspapers or the what you call channels like CNBC. There are a lot of views going on, and everybody has a different view. Somebody will say that this is a good time to buy. Somebody will say no, 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 don't buy. So people get confused. So I give a very
Correct.
clear view. Yes, this is a time to buy, but if you buy, then you should keep in mind the following risks. So today, most of the people only tell the rosy picture. There are very few people who also tell you that what is the disadvantage of going into any product. So I am giving
Okay.
both the things that yes, this is a good product provided these are risk factors. So you should take care of all these risk factors. Interest waiver scheme, as you said, lot of people have misconceptions. लोगों को लगता है कि मेरा
Right.
ब्याज माफ हो गया है, मुझे ब्याज देना ही नहीं है.
Even I thought, I'm having educational loan, so I thought only principal amount has to be paid, but that is not true. Many people, having misconception. Can you just give me
All started
some
in March
guidance on
when
that?
the
Yeah.
lockdown चालू हुआ था. So government announced कि okay you pay your EMI later. So people took advantage
Correct.
of it. 6 महीने तक उनको ये बोला गया कि because people have lost job, business was not there. तो उन्होंने कहा कि
Correct.
let's postpone this EMI. But उसमें क्या हो रहा था कि bank were charging interest even for the period where you are not paying the EMI. So if your principal was, let us say, 1 lakh and your interest was 10,000, so 1 year interest will become 1 lakh. So your principal amount
Right.
will increase from 10 lakh to 11 lakhs. And again, this 11 lakhs you will have to pay interest afterwards. So your burden has increased. On one hand, if you are saying that we are going to give relief, हमको relief देना है, so इसमें तो कोई relief नहीं हुआ. हमारी जेब से ही आप पैसा अभी नहीं ले रहे हो तो बाद में ले रहे हो. So that's why people took this matter to the finance minister. to the higher up authorities, and they decided कि okay, let us give some relief. आपने ये advantage लिया है नहीं लिया है, let us not charge interest on interest, only charge a simple interest. तो 1 मार्च से 31st अक्टूबर तक only simple interest will be charged on a few selected loans,
Okay.
not all.
So can you tell me selected loans? What do you mean by that?
So basically housing loan, education loan,
Okay.
credit card पे अगर आपने overdue हो गया है, see because lot of people buy from credit card and they were not able to pay because of this COVID, so it was
Right.
जब भी credit card overdue होता the banks were charging interest on that overdue amount. Then
Yes.
small business loans up to 2 crore, not large loans. So if it is, and main thing is that account has to be good. As on 28th February, the account has to be in good condition. Bad accounts के लिए facility नहीं है. It's only for good accounts: housing loan, education loan, consumer loan, car loan. So all type of loans, personal loan, and some business loans up to 2 CR, especially for small and medium businessmen. उन लोग को ही
Okay.
एडवांटेज दिया है, not for everyone.
Okay. So who, like, these people are eligible for the loans, right?
Yes.
So can you tell me more in detail how this process works? If I need to go to the bank, or it is automatically, coming into my
You
account?
have to go to bank. I think if you have taken education loan, you must have observed that
Yes.
you have got a message that amount of XYZ, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 has been credited into your loan account. So this is an
Correct.
automatic process where banks were
Okay.
instructed by Reserve Bank of India that you do calculation as on 28th February, whatever was the rate of interest for 6 months from 1st March to 31st October, you apply simple interest, and whatever interest you have already charged, you subtract this simple interest, and whatever is the difference, it has to be credited back to the credit card or housing loan. So you will not get into your account. Only thing is your loan burden will be reduced by that much interest amount. So nothing is coming to your pocket. It is only the loan amount which is getting reduced by the interest amount which was overcharged by the banks, I can say.
Okay. Okay. And can you tell me, like, this is bad for banks, right? Obviously, bank will be saying that why, because they were getting many, interest on interest. They were happy with that. So, what exactly is your point of view? Like,
ये
how is bank going to
लोगों
take this?
को लगता है कि बैंक will have negative impact, but the fact is
Yes.
that this interest, whatever waiver they are doing or whatever refund they are doing, they are not giving it from their own pockets. They are going to
Okay.
get refund from the Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India is the banker to the government. So basically, government of India is giving this money to banks. So banks will not have any adverse impact. वो जो भी डिफरेंस आपको क्रेडिट करेंगे उसका उनको एक स्टेटमेंट बना के दे विल हैव टू गिव टू रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, और एंड रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया विल फंड दोज बैंक्स विद दैट अमाउंट. सो बैंक के पॉकेट से कुछ नहीं जा रहा है. इट इज द गवर्नमेंट हु इज गिविंग यू द बेनिफिट.
Okay. Because, many people think कि bank को loss हो रहा है, but it is not like that.
इसकी वजह से नहीं हो
Yeah.
रहा और वजह से हो सकता है, बट इसकी वजह से नहीं हो रहा.
Correct. So as you know, Joe Biden has, won the victory. Can you tell me how it is going to be impacted, Asian markets a little bit on that also? Because it is current news.
ओनली थिंग इज कि गवर्नमेंट बोरोइंग विल इंक्रीज. गवर्नमेंट अगर अभी
Okay.
10 लाख रुपया को जरूरत थी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इंटरेस्ट सबवेंशन और वॉट एवर यू कॉल इंटरेस्ट रिफंड, they will need more money to fund this requirement. So more money कहाँ से आएगा? जो टैक्स पेयर्स हैं उसी के पास है. गवर्नमेंट के पास खुद तो कुछ है नहीं. So they will either put a surcharge on people who are having higher incomes, or they will recover it from some other place. So basically it will put some burden on the government. अब now they have not clarified कि इसको कहाँ से फंडिंग करेंगे, बट उनका जो फंडिंग रिक्वायरमेंट है, जो पैसे की जरूरत है, वो that will increase because of this fund. But looking at the condition of the economy right now, this was required. Otherwise, how will it is giving some comfort to the people. That's all. And amount will not be very amount will not be very big because it is only a interest difference. So अगर 1 लाख रुपए है, 10% इंटरेस्ट है, कंपाउंडिंग है, तो 1 लाख रुपए के ऊपर कितना आएगा? If you calculate it, will hardly some 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees. So हर आदमी को 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 रुपए मिलेगा, ठीक है?
But you know, many people are thinking, "Oh my God, government has done a great thing." So उनको लग रहा है कि
some benefit. Something is better than nothing वाला है.
Right. Okay. So can you add more about it?
No,
With us and tell viewers about your company and how do you manage your things?
So basically, I have total of 30 years of experience in financial markets, out of which 15 years I was working in treasury. Treasury means whatever finance related works, especially one is your risk management, second is your fundraising, and third is your wealth management. So these are the three main things I was doing during my entire career. Now, and I was doing for big companies. So big companies hired me, so they paid me, and I worked for them. Now I'm trying to impart my knowledge to common people. My mind.
Okay. So thank you for your precious time, and you know, it was very nice talking to you, and you are providing the clarity on that part also. So thank you for this moment.
So I
really appreciate it.
We will continue having chats like this on other topics also. So I will
sure.
Okay. So bye-bye.
Because you are explaining things in a very good way where you know, people are not knowing about it. Even you have a very big source, and you are providing a guest lecture also, right? In some
I'm giving lectures to MBA. I'm giving lectures to MBA students in BSc Institute, Indian Institute of Banking Finance. But that is specialized. I train people on forex. I train people on risk management. I train people on subject related to finance, economics. But this chat show, I think, is basically for people to understand the basic things. And
right.
It's a good initiative. Keep it up.
Thank you. Thank you. We will be doing more shows. In the further time. So let's see.